Art, tama ka na, Art. Masasapakit.
Bakit mo nga? Sapakin mo.
Ay, nako. Oo,
Naka-video na yan.
Oo.
Hala. No, I'm not a man.
Bro, I'm a woman.
Stop. Where's the fucking stop? Alright, isa oh.
Oh, done. Now we just have to wait for our...
Bro, biyawi.
Bro, mayroong pusa dito.
Hindi, cheetah yun.
Ay, na siya oh, be. Hi, be.
Hete.
Who is that man?
And what is going on his arm?
May pulse ako narinig.
Talk to... Be, naututok talaga natin si JJ. Talk mo nga, be.
Hey, is there any problem?
I want to enter the zoo. Open the gate now.
Wag!
Are you a monkey?
Open the gate right now.
Ano ba gusto
Ayoko
mo?
nga,
Gusto mo
be.
maging
Bye.
monkey?
Hey, George. Just to let you know. Before you come in, there's this guy nearby. May lolo doon. He was trying to come in the zoo at this time. Crazy guy, right?
Wala rin naman.
What the heck? Is he back?
Go to the gate, bitch. Go to the gate, bitch. Yeah, to the gate.
Iwan niya nakabukas lang yung ano, pintuan doon.
Go to the gate. Go. I will run.
What do you mean?
Siya nga, hindi siya yan.
Siya yung babaeng nagsa...
Open the gate, bitch. Grabe ba? Dami mga animals dito, be. Oh my God, look at that. Wow. Kita nila. Wey, wag pa sarado.
Ang tanga pa na to. Bro, what a sigma.
Oh my God, baka may pinakain kayo poison.
Pintutin siya.
Ewan ko da. Oh, the hell is that?
Kasi nag...
Oh my God. Oh my God. No, I'm staying.
Shoot.
I'm staying.
Bye guys. Siguraduhan yung...
And sorry, be.
6:34 p.m. when a
What?
old man jumped into the rat cage of the city zoo.
Bro, patay.
As he did, the rats ripped him apart. Cops don't understand why he did this. The
Haha.
zoo is being sued for not enforcing safety. Locals say he was a strange man. His last words were, "I will be back, and you all will regret making fun of me."
Paano mo alam?
His ghost still lurks around the zoo's parts. People still say they feel his presence.
Ay, kala.
Tara, be. Ano?
Follow
Hello,
you.
good bitch. Oh my God, it's so slow.
Right. Boss, are you still there? Mukha ba? Are you stay here?
No, bitch. Stay with us.
Is later, mamamatay yung cops, tapos tayo na. Tayo na. Bro, you did kill the... Oh, wait. Pop, is everything okay? We need to get out of here right now.
Oh my God, I don't like this. Oh my God, wow.
Bro, what the heck? Ah! Ano sa akin yan?
Oh, nawala siya.